Hello friends, hope you all are fine. In this video I will tell you how to create any file using Python. Without wasting time, let's start. For this you should know about one module, touch module. Touch is one of the amazing module of Python which is used to create any file. Like in Linux we use touch command to create any file, here in Python we use touch module. Next, install touch module. For this open command prompt and then we have to do pip space install touch. It may take a while for you. For me, here requirement is already satisfied. So install touch module like this by this command. Now let's create any file with Python touch. Let's create any file with touch. Now first we are importing touch. So import touch, importing touch module. Now calling touch class from touch. For calling we touch dot touch hello.py Python file. We are creating Python file by this command, by this statement touch dot touch hello.js. I will copy paste hello.html. Let's create HTML file also, and last hello.txt. See, it is this touch is calling touch class from touch, okay, and this is file name, and this is extension .txt, .html, .js, .py. Okay, now let's check our code is working. Okay, it is working. Let's see, file is created here. Here you can see your all file has created. This is HTML, Python, JS, txt. This is our your output. Thanks for watching video. Like, share and subscribe channel The Hacking Stuff, and keep following this Python how to series for more Python videos like this, and press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Thank you.